Yvon Chouinard wasn't trying to build a clothing company. He was a climber making better gear for his friends. Then he realized the tools they were using were damaging the rock. So he redesigned them. That decision shaped Patagonia's entire approach. Yes, they make durable outdoor clothing and gear. But in 2011, they ran an ad that said, "Don't buy this jacket." And they meant it. In 2022, Chouinard went further and gave the company away to a trust and non-profit. So now, 100% of Patagonia's profits go toward protecting nature and fighting climate change. And that's on top of their long-standing commitment to give 1% of all sales to environmental causes. Their One Wear program encourages people to repair, reuse, and recycle their gear, keeping over 583,000 items out of landfills. Patagonia has built a community of people who care about the planet and rethink what it means to explore.